Guys, TNT Cooling and Heating, we're doing another service call. So today we're maintaining a lot of carrier units. We have one here, we got one over there, and there go the next one. All right, so follow me. I'm gonna show you how we do the maintenance on these units. All right, so if you have any rooftop units, please give me a call. 718-916-6625, right? Any rooftop units you have. Alright, look at the drain lines. See how beautiful it is? Alright? So it's not just running all over the roof. We correct all these drain lines. Look at it. Alright? So if you ever had any job that you really need servicing, give us a call right now. 718-916-6625. I will come out and do a service for you. Alright, so look at the belts. We just changed them. Running nice. Look at this. Coil is clean. Alright, so that's what's happening right here. We're servicing these units. Give us a call. Then after we finish, this is what we put there. So you keep your system fresh, right? This is how you keep your system fresh. Look what it does. Right, so if you have a big system like this, it makes no sense just changing the filters if you're not going to do all of this, right? So the first thing you want to check the belts, right? So you want to turn the motor off and check the belts. I already turned the motor off and check the belts. We also check the coil, check the drain pan, make sure that the drain pan is okay, right? Look at the quality of the coil, nice and clean, right? We're still gonna give it a little tat up. We're gonna clean it some more. We service mini split system all the way up to commercial systems like these commercial systems. Please give me a call if you got these rooftop systems. We take care of all of them, right? We're the specialists. Don't watch how much wires you're seeing. This is cakewalk for us, right? So please give us a call. And we install those small systems right here, these split system. We install them. So today we're working on this one. It's a beautiful backdrop. I'm gonna show you some of the systems that we install. Look at some of these systems right here. Alright, so no job is too big, no job is too small. We're fully licensed, fully insured. Give us a call, we can do any job. We're fully licensed, insured, and bonded in the state. Alright, so give us a call. Alright, any job you got, please feel free to give us a call.